Hello everyone. Today we will be learning how to log Hello World to your console using JavaScript. We first need to understand what JavaScript is and what it's used for. JavaScript is a scripting language that enables developers to create dynamic content, control multimedia, animate images, and pretty much all interactivity found on a page. Developers use JavaScript to build complex interactive websites and browser games, and to connect servers to websites and web applications. The possibilities are quite endless with this programming language, but today we are working on the basics of JavaScript, and it doesn't get more basic than this. That being said, it's our ability to grasp basic concepts and fundamentals that essentially determine what kind of a programmer we will become. So grasping basic ideas like this is essential to your growth as a developer. We will be using our browser's integrated console to input and output data. Google Chrome is the browser we'll be using in this tutorial. There are multiple ways and reasons to log to the console in JavaScript. You can write and execute JavaScript code directly in your browser's console, or by using a dedicated code editor. We will be doing the former. Now let's get coding. You simply need to open your browser of choice. I have Google Chrome open. To get coding in your browser, you first need to open your Chrome developer tools. And to do this, there are two methods used to achieve this. Either by right-clicking in your browser window and selecting Inspect, or by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and J. This will take you straight to the console tab. Once your browser console is open, you will see a sidebar open. This is where input and output are to be executed. So, in your console tab, we will be typing console.log, open parentheses, quotation marks, either single or double quotation marks. Hello world, quotation mark, close parentheses, and then your semicolon. Enter, and there you have it. Hello world printed in your console. Thanks for watching, and please look out for other videos coming up.